Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to deactivate Instagram account temporarily in 2025. So what we'll do is, first of all, open the Instagram application. Then what you'll have to do is click on your profile icon at the bottom right side of the screen. Now it will take you to this page where you'll have to just click on the three-lined icon at the top right. Now this will take you to settings and activity where you'll have to click on settings and privacy. So scroll down. Now on this page, you'll have to click on Account Center button at the top and this will take you to this page. Now, you'll have to navigate to Password and Security under Account Settings. Now, what you'll have to do is click on Account Ownership and Control button that will be available here. Now on this page, you'll have to click on the Personal Details button available under Account Settings. Now, this will take you to this page where you'll have to click on Account Ownership and Control button. So you can see you can manage your data, modify your legacy contact and deactivate or delete your account and profiles just by clicking on this button. Now, this will take you to a page where you get the option to deactivate or delete. Click on Deactivation or Deletion. This will take you to this page. You'll have to choose the account that you want to temporarily disable. Now, on this page, you'll have to choose whether you want to deactivate your account or delete your account. So deactivating your account is temporary and it means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through Account Center or by logging in to your Instagram account. But if you delete your account, it is permanent. So when you delete your Instagram account, your profile photos, videos and comments, likes and followers will be permanently removed. And if you just like to take a break, make sure you choose deactivate account. Now, in order to temporarily delete it, you'll have to just choose the first one and click on continue. Now, this will take you to another page. You'll have to enter your password for security purposes. After you enter your password, your account will be successfully deactivated. Now, if you want to reactivate your Instagram account, simply log back into Instagram with your username and password and your account will be restored instantly. And that's how you temporarily delete your Instagram account in 2025. If this video helped, like, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions regarding this. See you next time.